Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Explorer brake squealing issue and what could be causing it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Brake squealing in the Ford Explorer is commonly described as a high-pitched noise heard during braking, especially at low speeds or when slowing to a stop. Verified owner reports and service information indicate that brake noise complaints have been reported across multiple Ford Explorer model years and generations, with frequency and causes varying based on brake design, driving conditions, and maintenance history. One verified and commonly reported cause is normal brake pad material characteristics. Many Ford Explorers are equipped with semi-metallic or ceramic brake pads, which can produce squealing noises under certain temperatures or light braking conditions. This behavior is often noted as more noticeable in colder weather or during initial braking. Another confirmed cause involves brake pad wear indicators. As brake pads wear down, the built-in wear indicator may contact the brake rotor, producing a squealing sound intended to alert the driver that pad replacement is approaching. This is a documented and intentional design feature rather than a failure. Brake hardware and lubrication issues are also verified contributors. Dry or worn anti-rattle clips, shims, or caliper contact points can allow vibration during braking, resulting in squealing noise. Owners and technicians have reported that lack of proper lubrication during brake service can increase the likelihood of this condition. In some cases, rotor surface condition may be involved. Glazed or uneven rotors have been associated with brake noise in certain situations, particularly if brakes have been subjected to repeated hard stops or overheating. Older generations may experience this more frequently due to mileage and wear. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include dust buildup on brake components, moisture after washing or rain, or brake pad compound differences used during replacement. These are considered possibilities and should be evaluated during inspection. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include inspecting brake pad thickness, replacing worn pads, cleaning and lubricating brake hardware, resurfacing or replacing rotors if necessary, and ensuring correct brake components are installed for the specific model year. Owner feedback trends suggest that brake squealing in the Ford Explorer is often related to maintenance or normal wear rather than a serious safety defect, though experiences vary by model year and braking system design. In conclusion, Ford Explorer brake squealing can result from normal brake operation, wear indicators, or hardware-related factors, and the exact cause depends on the vehicle's condition, brake components, and usage. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.